Month 1, you found out. Month 2, you survived. Month 3, everything changes and nobody tells you how. Welcome to month 3 of pregnancy, weeks 9 to 12. This is the final month of your first trimester, and trust me, so much is about to shift for baby and for you. Let's start with your baby. At the beginning of month 3, baby is the size of a grape. By the end, baby has grown to the size of a peach, from 2.5 centimeters to almost 7 centimeters. In just 1 month, all vital organs are now formed. Heart, brain, liver, kidneys, everything is in place. Now it's just about growing. Baby's fingers and toes are now fully separated. No more webbing. Baby is no longer part fish. Tiny fingernails are starting to form. Baby already needs a manicure and hasn't even arrived yet. Baby can now make facial expressions, yawning, squinting, even frowning. Baby is already judging everything from inside the womb. And the most magical part, baby starts moving this month. You won't feel it yet, but inside, baby is dancing. Now, let's talk about you. Because month 3 brings some very welcome changes. First, the nausea. For most women, it starts to ease in month 3. Not completely, but noticeably. You can finally look at your favorite food again. The exhaustion also starts lifting slightly. You may actually feel like a human being again. Revolutionary. But here's what nobody tells you. The emotional intensity does not ease. If anything, it gets more complex. Because month 3 brings the big question. Do I tell people or do I wait? The bump is still not very visible. But your clothes are definitely getting tighter. Welcome to the maternity wear dilemma and the headaches. Nobody warns you about pregnancy headaches. They are very real and very annoying. Stay hydrated, mama. Water is your best friend right now. And one more thing. Your skin may start glowing this month or breaking out completely. There is no in between in pregnancy. Month 3 brings one of the most important appointments of your pregnancy. The nuchal translucency scan, also called the NT scan. This happens between weeks 11 and 13. It checks for chromosomal conditions and gives you a detailed look at your baby. This is usually when you see baby properly for the first time. Moving, stretching, looking like an actual tiny human. Most mamas cry at this scan, and that is completely valid. Along with the NT scan, your doctor will also recommend blood test. The double marker test, please don't skip these. They are important. And then the moment every pregnant woman thinks about telling the world. Most couples wait until month 3 to announce. Because after the NT scan, the risk reduces significantly. And you finally feel safe to share your joy. Whether you do a big announcement or just quietly tell your close ones, that moment is unforgettable. You've kept this secret for 3 months, growing a human while pretending everything is normal, while feeling nauseous, exhausted, and emotional, all while smiling at everyone. You absolute superhero. Quick note on nutrition this month. Iron becomes very important now. Spinach, beetroot, dates, pomegranate. Your body needs more blood, and iron helps make it. Calcium for baby's bones. Milk, curd, paneer, ragi. All your Indian kitchen staples work perfectly. And protein, dal, eggs, paneer, nuts. Baby's growth this month needs fuel. Keep sipping water. Keep eating small, frequent meals. And please, rest whenever you can. 3 months, you have grown a human being. For 3 whole months, through the nausea, through the exhaustion, through the days nobody knew, and you carried it all alone. And now, first trimester is over. You made it, Mama. The hardest part is behind you. What's coming next is the good part. The bump, the kicks, the glow. Second trimester is waiting for you. And we will be right here every step of the way. If this video helped you, save it and share it. Subscribe for the full month-by-month pregnancy journey. Month 4 is coming next Wednesday. And trust me, second trimester has some surprises. See you then, Mama.